Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. If you're curious about anything, be sure to check out the description box where I will link either the blog post or the video where everything first appeared. Also check out that description box for those links because sometimes I have already mailed out a card or creation and I didn't share it anywhere except my blog, so you might want to check that out too. So let me move these out of the way and we will get started. Probably not going to be in order because I don't remember, but we will talk about everything. First up was this super fun card for Craftin' Kimmy's Saturday Challenge. It was my week to host it, and I chose Be Squared, Make a Square card. I used Lulu's wheels for my stamp set, and I made a fun paper pieced car, and I think I want a card like that. There's the inside. Have a really awesome day, and I just think that turned out adorable. Then it was the Not Too Shabby Hop for the Stamp and Die of the month, and I showed how to do that fun card where you use the dies, and then that's on the inside, Warm Wishes. Then I have this card I made for the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers using Sketch 28. This is a super fun stamp set from My Favorite Things. Have Your Selfie a Merry Little Christmas, and the papers are from Not Too Shabby. There's the inside. Then it was time to start Peaks for Craftin' Kimmy. This also uses that Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers sketch number 28. I embossed the sentiment in gold, and this was using the Holiday Sentiments stamp set, which we'll be releasing later today. And there's the inside. And then we also shared for Craftin' Kimmy the Snowball Fight stamp set, and the Crafty 4 stencil is hiding behind there. That will be releasing today. Friends Warm the Coldest of Days. This is a fun shaker card. There's the inside. And then we have my tags from the week. I'm sure they're not in order, but have this cute bear and bunny from Whimsy Stamps and that pretty paper. Shaker card using that little piggy and sheep from My Favorite Things. A shaker, so cute. Have the sloth, Love and Hugs. He's from the Greeting Farm. His ribbon is not staying tight there. So cute. This fun little artist from My Favorite Things. Super adorable. And then the matching tag to the Craftin' Kimmy Day 1 release. So there was those. I also had this one using Pink and Main's products. Love that sparkle on that dragonfly and flowers. And then ended the week with another shaker tag to go with the card for Craftin' Kimmy using the Snowball Fight stamp set. Super fun and oh so adorable. So there are my creations from the week. I am still having the best time with tags, and I'm just having the best time. And I'm happy to continue that on for the rest of November. Again, if you have any questions or anything, leave a comment in the comment section. All the links to the blog post or videos are in the description box. And until my next video, have a super crafty day. Go do something fun and maybe make a card or a tag or two. I'll see you later.